Hello friends, this is Monica here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's class, we are going to learn about adverb and kinds of adverbs. Adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of an adjective, a verb, or some other adverb. Example: Sita speaks English quite fluently. In this sentence, quite fluently is an adverb. Madhuri works hard. In this sentence, hard is an adverb. It is bitterly cold today. In this sentence, bitterly is adverb. There are several classes of adverbs. They are adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of number, interrogative adverbs. Let's see the first one, adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner make the sense as how. Examples: Suresh must work hard. The boy was severely beaten by the teacher. Yours sincerely. In these three sentences, hard, severely, sincerely are adverbs of manner. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time talk about the sense when. Example: She went late to school. She has already finished my work. We will come soon. In these three sentences, late, already, soon are adverbs of time. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place show the sense where. Example: Come in, please. We stood there. Let us wait for him here. In these three sentences, in, there, here are adverbs of place. Adverbs of number. Adverbs of number talk about the sense how often. Example: She never goes there. Satish often goes to films. I hear this voice occasionally. In these three sentences, never, often, occasionally are adverbs of number. Interrogative adverbs. These adverbs are used to ask questions. Example: Why are you late? How many students passed the test? How much work have you completed? In these three sentences, why, how many, how much are interrogative adverbs. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe.